Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. Today we're going to open this cool rainbow corn and I got this from my daddy. Okay, let's start. So we're first going to start from this button here. I'm going to open it. It's a little bit hard, so you have to ask a grown-up for this. You're going to open the plastic. And there's more plastic here. So you can just open it from here. If you need some scissors, you can have it. And it's a little bit hard because it's a rainbow corn, and rainbow corn is a little bit hard to open, but that's fine. You can ask it grown up all the time. Just use a pair of scissors if you're stuck. Then you can just open it up. Yeah, there we go. Scissors again. Okay, now guys, we're going to crack the egg open. Oh my god, this looks so adorable. It's a piggy. And look at her cute wings. It's really sparkly. So we got some prizes in here. We got this heart. Wonder how to open this up. But we'll open this up later. This pig looks so adorable. So we have this sheet here so you'll see what you get. And I have this one, the pig. Oh, this is so cute. There's so many here. And then here we have this over here. Okay, now let's open this. Wow, I feel a lot of toys in here. Oh my god, look at this, guys. I have this. Oh, so you can make bracelets out of all of these. And this is my Rainbowcorn. So let's put this on the side. Let's open this second packet. Oh my god, guys. This is so cool. Let me just open it up more. It's so cool. It's slime. Look how cute this is. And it's so sticky and stretchy. I love it. Okay, now let's try and get this heart out. You just need to push it somehow. Oh, there we go. We got this out. The pig looks so adorable. So we're just going to put this in. Oh, look, it's music. I think we need some battery for that. So let's just stick that in. Just right here. And guys, these are my other rainbow corns I opened. I also have this bunny one from Easter. And my third one, I also have this elephant one. And now I have the piggy one. It looks so adorable. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!